What's in your nose? What's in there? What did you just say? What's in your nose?
I want to see the picture.
There's no picture.
This Kirsten. I want to see Kirsten.
Well, what were you doing before? What's in your nose? What's in your nose? What's in there? Do you have crayons in there?
Yeah.
Did you have boogers? You had boogers, didn't you?
I want my mittens.
You want your mittens? You cold?
It's cold in the house.
Yeah.
I can't put my finger in there.
Yes, you can.
It's pretty. Oh,
What? Good save.
bunny.
Good save.
I want to see the picture.
I know.
Kirsten.
Yeah?
I want to see the picture.
All right. Hold on.